Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the device OS and exact build. This matters because policies differ between Android and Windows. Once done, back up critical data to avoid loss and enable developer options plus USB debugging when applicable. Next, allow installs from unknown sources or temporarily adjust Smart Lock and app permission settings so the installer can run. You are taking these steps because the policy block often stems from strict install sources or missing device flags, and changing them first prevents wasted effort later. You now move into deeper fixes. Use ADB or an elevated PowerShell session to query the device policy manager and check the app signature. That shows why the installer was blocked. If the device is enrolled in MDM, open the console or contact admin to remove the enterprise restriction or change the device owner setting. You may need to re-sign the APK with a compatible certificate or rebuild targeting the device OS so the installer matches security expectations, which prevents rejection during verification. You finish by rebooting the device and retrying the install while watching system logs for specific rejection codes and timestamps. Those codes tell you exactly which policy failed. If the problem persists, reset the policy agent, clear the package installer cache, or reinstall the MDM client. Make sure to reapply any necessary permissions afterward. If nothing works, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps, and only then consider a selective factory reset. This troubleshooting step avoids unnecessary data loss and targets root causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.